Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the CSS property, which is background position, which is basically used to position the background images. Okay, so I have opened the documentation on MDN, and as you can see what it is saying the background position CSS property sets the initial position for each background image. Okay, so there it is, and the background position property can take up some of the keywords, something like top, left, center, bottom, and something like that. Also, as you can see, background position can have multiple values as well. So if I just go here, as you can see, it can be top, bottom, left, right, center, and then we can have some percentage values. The first one is for top and bottom, and the second one is for left and right. Then we have the background position for different units. Basically, we can add different units, and also we can mix and match with the keywords with some of the values which we have, so that we can fine control our positioning of the background image. Okay, so here as you can see, this is our image, and currently what is happening, we are having the left portion of the image. If I just go here and do something like this, okay, as you can see, we are just getting this left portion inside of our website. So if we want to get the right portion, then what we can do, we can go to the CSS, and here we can do background position, this one, and we can set it to right. Okay, if I just save that and go to the browser, now we are getting the right portion of our image. Okay, once again we can set it to center as well. So if I just do that, then we will be getting the center portion of the image. It is a little bit harder to tell because the image is just a scenery, just a landscape. There are not bunch of things going on, but trust me, it is working. Okay, and here we can do something like, yes, top, bottom, left, and right. So here what is happening currently right now, if I just show the image once again, so our image is taking up the full height basically. So if I just do something like 400 pixels, and the width is also 400 pixel, save that. Now the height is getting changed accordingly because we have the background size set to cover. So if I just comment it out and go to the browser once again, so now what is happening, we are getting the portion of the image. The image is not covering the whole height. So we can change it to the same thing as before, so 600, and we can change it to 800 as well. Now what we can do, if I just go here, so it is looking somewhat good. Okay, so now what I can do, I can just do it something like bottom, so that we will get the bottom portion of the image. As you can see, now we have more grass, right? Or what we can do, we can do only top. If I do that, then we will be getting the top of the image, which is mainly sky in our particular image, right? So we are getting all of that. So our background positioning is working. Now we can set some of the percentages as well, right? So if I just go ahead, yes, that two value syntax, right? Here it is. So one value defines the X and the other defines the Y. Okay, so the X value. So one of the value is defining the X and the other one defines the Y. So one of the keyword values, top, left, bottom, or right, if left or right is given, then this defines the X. Okay, and the other given value defines the Y. If top or bottom is given, then this defines the Y, and then the other value defines the X. So yeah, as you can see, there is not a hard and fast rule here. So you can use that. To be honest, you can use that, but most of the time we usually use the keywords most of the time, and it is sufficient for us. Basically, most of the time I use center so that the image is getting centered. So if I just go here and just do center, and the image is now centered. We are getting the center of the image basically. So yeah, this is the background position property in CSS.